Welcome back to Protechnix. In this video, I'll show you how to set the position of a window when it first opens. No coding required in the code behind. Everything will be done directly in the XAML file. Let's get started. First, we need to create a new WPF project. Open Visual Studio. Go to File, then select New Project. Select WPF application. Name it Window Position Demo and click OK. Now let's select the main window.xml from the Solution Explorer if you can't see it. Modify the window tag like this. Here, we set the Window Startup Location property to Center Screen. This ensures the window opens right in the middle of the screen, regardless of the window size or screen resolution. Click the Start button or press F5 to run the application. You should see the window open right at the center of your screen. Now let's try manually positioning the window at specific coordinates on the screen. In mainWindow.xaml, change the window tag like this. Set Window Startup Location property to Manual. Lets us control the window's exact position.
Set top property to 100.
This means the window will appear 100 pixels from the top of the screen. Set left property to 150. This means the window will appear 150 pixels from the left side. Click Start or press F5 to run the app again. Now the window should open 100 pixels from the top and 150 pixels from the left. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe for more programming content. Thanks for watching.